Welcome friends. In this video I am going to evaluate the triple integration from 0 to a, 0 to b, 0 to c, x square plus y square plus z square into bracket dz dx, dy dx. In the previous video I have solved the same type but it is different here. What is the difference between previous example and this one? Here x square into y square into z square was there. Now it is plus in between. Okay, in such cases little bit different example. Okay, here as it is mentioned here, the limits are constants and the limits derivatives as given as the dz dy dx. First I have to integrate with respect to z. Therefore the given limit is from z equal to 0 to z equal to c. Therefore I will rewrite the given equation as the outside limit will be for outside variable, that is z x equal to 0 to x equal to a, and second interval is for this one y equal to 0 to y equal to b, and inside integration is for inside derivative variable, that is z equal to 0 to z equal to c, x square plus y square plus z square into dz. And for this one I will put one bracket, which one is going to be integrated first with respect to z, then with respect to y, then with respect to x here. Okay, now I will integrate this one with respect to z first. The outer limit integration will write as it is x equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to b, and here while integrating with respect to z, x and y are treated as constant. Here it is a sum of three terms, therefore three separate terms to be integrated, whereas in previous it was product was there, that's why two terms together will become the constant there, but here each term has become constant. X square is constant and integration 1 with respect to z will become z, plus y square into 1 will become integration will become z, plus z square integration will become z cube divided by 3. This is between the limits z equal to 0 to z equal to c into dy dx. I will write as this. Okay, dy dx. Now put the limit for upper limit minus lower limit for the z variable. Therefore integration from x equal to 0 to a as it is, integration from y equal to 0 to b as it is, upper limit minus lower limit for each term, that is x square into c plus y square into c plus c cube divided by 3 minus lower limit z equal to 0, x square into 0 plus y square into 0 plus 0 cube divided by 3 into bracket dy dx. Okay, and here you can observe here all are 0, therefore the second bracket will become totally 0. You have to integrate this one with respect to y. I will rewrite the term and I will come back to you as integration from x equal to 0 to a, y equal to 0 to b, x square c plus y square c plus c cube divided by 3. This is to be integrated with respect to y now, and dx I will keep outside. Okay, this is to be integrated with respect to y by keeping x constant, and another term has become already constant. Therefore its integration will become integration from x equal to 0 to a. Now here x square c will be acted as constant because we are integrated with respect to y. Therefore x square c into y I have to write, because 1 will remain, 1 integration is y, plus y square integration is nothing but y cube divided by 3 into c will carry as it is, plus c cube divided by 3, c cube divided by 3 is constant into y I have to write. This is between the limits y equal to 0 to y equal to b into dx as it is. Okay, third term I have to integrate. Now I will put the upper limit minus lower limit for y only. I have to substitute b. This becomes integration from x equal to 0 to a, x square c into b upper limit plus c into b cube divided by 3 plus c cube divided by 3 into b minus the whenever y is there, if you replace it, the term will get 0 definitely. Y is replaced by 0 into dx. Now the remaining term you have to integrate with respect to x now. Okay, I'll integrate this with respect to x now. What I'm going to get here is integration from, integration after integration, here x square cb is constant, and integration of x square with respect to x is x cube divided by 3 plus cb cube divided by 3 is totally constant into 1 integration with respect to x become x, plus here bc cube divided by 3 is constant and integration of 1 is again x. This is between the limits x equal to 0 to a. Now you have to substitute for x upper limit minus lower limit. I am going to get it as cb a cube divided by 3 plus cb cube divided by 3 into a plus here also bc cube divided by 3 into a minus x is replaced by a 0 0 0 0, total will get 0. Therefore from all the three I can write these things as a cube bc plus ab cube c plus ab c cube whole divided by 3. From all the three I can take common as abc. If I take abc common, here you are going to remain with a square, and here you are remaining with the b square, here you are remaining c square whole divided by 3. This is the required answer. Okay, there is a difference between whenever the terms in between the integrating terms are product, and whenever they are plus, and whenever they are product. Okay, like this in another video I am going to solve like same type of examples. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my next videos. Like the video, comment, and do share with your friends. Thank you.